Do you have the hiccups, Blakey? Oh, I know how to make... Oh. I thought that maybe me taping was going to make them go away, but it didn't work. What should we do? You're not old enough to have sugar yet. Think of something else. You want to be scared? I don't want to scare you, though. That was good acting. What else? Yes, you're so big. How do we get rid of those hiccups? Are they gone? Are they gone? They sound like they're gone. Oh, maybe not. Oh. What should we do? Oh, I'm all out of ideas. I need more ideas on how to get rid of the hiccups. I couldn't understand you. Your hiccup interrupted you. Try again. Zoolander face? Maybe they'll go away on their own. Okay. Sounds like it. Oh, they didn't go away. Oh, they came back. It's hard being a baby, isn't it? Is it hard being a baby? Is it hard being a baby? All right, I don't know what to do. They're getting worse. I know. I'm sorry.